Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I have 3 boxes from Orly. They arrived at different times, but I hadn't had a chance to sit down and open them. I already did open them, so I know what's in here. We have a couple things that we're gonna be swatching in this video, but I want to open them one by one and show you guys what's in them before we get into like swatching and all of that. So hold on. All right, box number one. There's some nail care stuff. This just came randomly from them. It's not part of a box or anything. I don't know. There's a remover. I haven't tried this remover yet. They did send me another one like a couple months ago that I still haven't opened, so it's on my to-do list. Then there is a cleanup brush that I haven't tried. As you can see, still closed in its packaging. Okay, and then there is some oil, and they did send this before as part of something. I think it might have been like part of a color pass box or something, and I tried it. And I don't know, it doesn't absorb fast enough for me. You know, I'm used to something else. But, I mean, it smells like citrusy. I don't know. I don't have any, like, set opinion on it. I just do remember that it didn't absorb super fast. So, I don't know. And then we have a nail file. 400, 600. So, that's a pretty nice grit. That's good. Let's go on to the second box. All right, this was their Valentine's trio. So I think I'm still early. It's not Valentine's Day yet, so I'm glad I got to this before then. We have 3 super cute polishes in a box, which is also nice. You see? Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'm not. Oh, because it's like, hold on, let me cut this. All right, great. Here it is. Oops, sorry. We have a cream polish, it's the pink, and then something that has a bunch of glitter. Off focus, you can see maybe the glitter, I don't know. And then we have a topper. And then we have, what is this? The striping brush and a dotting tool. And then last but not least, this is their spring collection. They did send all of this to me as PR. As you guys know, last year I had bought myself the color pass. So all the Orlys that I had last year, I bought myself, and these were sent to me as PR. One night stand peel off base coat. Ooh, I have never tried this. Putting this to the side. Nice. I didn't even know they had one, so I guess now they do. This looks like white, but it's clear in person, you see? So it's a peel off base coat. And then there is the Hopeless Romantic Spring 2023 collection. Let's open it up. It looks very fun, very bright. It's cohesive. I like that. So let's get into swatching because we have 9 polishes, you guys, that I have to show you. So, okay, let me get a bunch of boxes out of the way and prepare this setup. Okay, you guys, if I tell you what just happened to me, this is post-production, okay? I just was looking at my footage and realized that I wasn't filming on my first coat of the 3 colors from the trio. When I'm looking at myself, I just kind of like hit record wrong. So anyways, we're gonna do the first coat of each, and what you're getting right now is like a second impression because I already filmed a first impression, so sorry. Okay, first up, we're going to do the light pink, which is Wink Wink. And I'm sorry, I don't remember what I said because I don't script my videos, so whatever I said, okay? But here's the first coat. Okay, I do a little bit of a floating because I have ridges on my nails. You can see here as it dries. If you zoom in, you see how I have ridges here? But anyways, that's not really like the polish fault. It's kind of like my nails. Formula's pretty decent to be so white based. And then, okay. Up next we have Let's Go Girls, which is a jelly. I didn't grab enough polish here. Okay, you can see how you see nail line. And then the next one is the Let's Go Girl. And I feel like you guys are getting like a second version of this because like I said, I already filmed it. So I already gave my first impression and now like, man. Anyways. This one's very pretty in person. I have seen it come up online on my feed, and seems like on the web, not on the web, like on an app, on a screen, you don't get to see how bright this little hot pink dots are. It's very, very nice. Also, looking at my footage, I realized that I also said that I was gonna combine these toppers with the pink. So I'm gonna be showing you guys up next second coats on these 3 and some combinations on my pinky and thumb. All right, so here we have the pink cream with the jelly called Sup on top, 1 coat of each. This is the pink cream at 2 coats, and I did some cleanup. This is the jelly at 2 coats. This is the topper at 2 coats. And here we have the pink cream with 1 coat of the topper. Now we have the new one, which is called, like I said, Wink Wink. And then we have Kaleido, I don't know how to say this. And of course, we need to compare them. So on my finger here, I have the new one, and I'm gonna just do 1 stripe of the kaleidoscope eyes. I'm sorry, that's too complicated of a word. But I just want to show you guys the difference, okay? There you can see, they're very different, okay? Okay, I'm gonna show them to you guys side by side because I don't know if putting one on top of the other could have messed up the color in any way. These are opaque enough that I don't think so, but just to be sure, okay? And I'm gonna float this because I just want you guys to see the color. I'm not manicuring, okay? I just want you to see like the color as it will look like at 2 coats or whatever. The new one, and then this one's the older one. You can see they're very, very different, okay? But it's the only Orly that I have that's in the neighborhood, okay? All right, up next, we're gonna be moving into the Spring 2023 collection, which is called Hopeless Romantic. We're gonna swatch this 3 first, and then this 3. All right, first up we have Written in the Stars, and this one looks like a shimmery metallic. It's giving me like Winter Wonderland vibes. It almost feels also a little bit foily. Now the formula, it's kind of runny right now, so just make sure you don't have a bunch of polish dropping down the stem of the cap, okay? Next up we have Serendipity, and this one's a blue, also looking a little bit liquidy as it drops down the bottle. So be careful, okay? Don't grab too much, too thin coat so you don't make a whole mess because, oh, it's very beautiful. It might not show on video, but this shimmer is so pretty in person. Oh, I like it. This is giving me Elsa vibes. Oh, yeah. Very, very cute. And then the next one is Opposites Attract. And this one's also looking like a jelly, but maybe kind of pearly. The formula is not as runny as the other two, so that's nice. Easier to work with. So yeah, definitely having some pearly vibes, but nothing annoying. Like you barely see the streaks or anything. I'm gonna do 2nd coat off camera, and then I'll show you guys in the sun like I did with the Valentine's trio. All right, before we go out into the sun, I want to show you guys up close what I'm wearing here. So I did the 3 polishes at 2nd coats. You can see them here. And then this is 1 coat of the middle one. On top of it's Brittany Beach from Orly as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then I went ahead and put it over black, and it is just fantastic. So out of these 3, my absolute favorite, no doubt, is this one. So versatile. Is that versatile? Is that how you say it? Versatile? I don't know. You can use them many different ways. By itself, or 1 coat, 2 coats, build it up on top of blue, on top of black. It's just beautiful. Actually, now that we're here, I just thought of this. Let me put it on top of this purple just to see what happens. Yeah, you can even build it up on top of the purple to give it like this. Oh, so now I won't be able to show you this in the sun. Damn it. Okay, I'll clean it up. But anyways, yeah, you can put it on top of many different things. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 coats fresh, you know, of this one here so I can show you in the sun, and we'll be right back. All right, I removed whatever mess I did in here and put 2 coats of the purple. So let's check it out in the sun. Okay, I don't mean to flip you guys off, but this is in my middle finger. There's nothing we can do about it. I don't know if you can tell, but in some angles, there's like a bold spot right there. This is the blue, the one that I said was like super versatile. I'm gonna do a third coat to see, because I don't know if it was my application or what. So if you want like opacity on this one, it actually builds up, but you need like 3 coats. And now I think maybe the bold spot is gone, okay? All right, let's look at the last 3. And before we even get started, I want to compare this new one, which is called Check Yes or No, to the one from Valentine's trio, which is this one, and the Kaleidoscope Eyes. That name is going to be the end of me. You can tell that this one's darker than the others, okay? They're all kind of like in that orchid pink range. These two kind of going Pepto-Bismol-y a little bit. This one's more like a true orchid pink, okay? But yeah, no dupes here. We're gonna do a quick 3-finger comparison at the end, just so that you guys have an idea. But yeah, just wanted to give you a quick overview. All right, so here we have check or no. And I have to say, you guys, Orly fixed their brush. If you guys have seen my previous reviews of their polishes, you know that there was some time, it wasn't like a long time, but they had some sort of thing going on where the tip of their brushes was not cut evenly and they wouldn't like sit nicely as you use them. It was weird because they had them perfect and then they did something, I don't know what it was, if they changed manufacturers or what, but right now they seem to be fixed, okay? So that was one coat of check yes or no. It's fantastic. Gorgeous formula. Like I said, I do have a bunch of ridges right now. So if you see any streaks, it's my nails, but a second coat is gonna fix that, you'll see. And now let's go on to Meet Cute, which is the next one. All right, Meet Cute. Again, brush looking pretty good. This one has a good formula as well. It feels a little bit, let me see. What am I trying to say? Maybe more curly than this one, but still very good, self-level nicely. There you go. And then the next one is Oh Darling. Let me open it. And this one looks a bit like a berry red, maybe a pink. I don't know. But it's very beautiful. Okay, this one's not cut as evenly. You can see the brush, right? We're gonna compare it to the pink in a second. But this is a gorgeous formula, you guys. Oh my God. All right, here we have 2 coats. These are so beautiful. They're so coherent together. They look nice. I want to show you guys what I meant about the brushes between the pink and the red. You can tell here, if you look, let me zoom in, okay? If you look at this brush, one side and the other, it's cut pretty good. But then if you look at the red, you're gonna see what I meant about uneven. Do you guys see that? There's like a chunk missing right here, okay? Now, if you look at it on the other side, you can barely see it. So anyway, seems like the pink one is okay, but this one still not okay. Now, it still feels better than the past. But just wanted to show you because I hadn't encountered that unevenness on anything else up until now. So I thought it was like 100% fixed. Look at a little drop. But it seems to, oh my God, everything's dropping all over the place. It seems like we still have some minor unevenness in the brush. But again, I didn't experience that in any of the others. The others were very good. So anyways, at least it seems like we're moving in the right direction. If they're still getting a couple unevenness, you know, here and there, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and show you these in the sun, and I'll put a picture here on the side for color accuracy. Okay, so as far as my favorite from these 3, I will have you know that I'm having a very hard time choosing. So I'm not gonna. These are all like gorgeous. I have no like, this one's fantastic. This one's like super cute and very sweet. This one's very, very fun, especially for summer. This on pedicures, you guys. Oh my God, gorgeous. So, okay, what else do we have to do? Oh, compare this one to the other 2 pinks. Let's do that. All right, so here we have them. This one's the one from the spring 2023. This one's the one from the Valentine's trio, and this one's the whatever eyes. I'm not gonna say that word anymore. Now, let me tell you guys. Obviously, no dupes, right? When we talk about formula, this one is the best formula of the 3. This one's very white based. So I did 1 thin coat and a float. But if you have very long nails or nails that have a lot of ridges, you're gonna need to do 3 coats of this, I think. Okay. And then this one has a good formula. Now my brush on this one's kind of wonky. So the application, I always struggle a little bit, but it's not the formula's fault, it's the brush. So there you go. Now, before we continue, I want to give you guys a quick summary of the Valentine's trio. You can see the 3 colors with the names if you need to pause and screenshot or whatever. There you go. And then a quick screenshot time if you need to of the Hopeless Romantic Spring 2023 collection. All right, so here we have the 9 polishes we reviewed today. And if I'm being honest, looking at all of them together, even though they're not together, they kind of like, I like it. I like all of them together. I feel like if this was like a 9-piece collection, I would be okay with it. But anyways, thank you so much for coming to my review, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.